that if my voice is audible or not. So the, for today, the problem that we'll be discussing today is check tree traversal, and this is a hard problem. So you can see the accuracy is high. The accuracy is high because the constraint, uh, the problem gives 8 points. So this is an important problem. So I'll just wait for a few minutes for others to join. And in case if all others have joined and you can hear me, then please give a +1 in the comments. So, hi Akash. Yeah, hi Akash. Hi Akash. So, I'll begin in a minute. Just waiting for a few more people to join so that I can begin with the session. You can hear me. Just make sure to like the video. If you can hear me clearly, just make sure to like the video and give a +1 in the chat so that I know that everything is working fine. And then I'll immediately begin. Yeah. Hi Arsh, hi Rahul, and hi Shrijan Prakash, and hi Akshay. Akash, Akshat. Fine. Okay. So I'll just wait for 30 seconds more. You can ask your friends to join and then I'll begin. So, okay, how many of you have solved this question? So, all of those who have solved this question, please give a yes or a +1 in the chat. How many of you have solved this question? Vishal Gupta, wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, I have been waiting for a few minutes now. Okay. So the problem is check tree traversal. So the problem name is check tree traversal. So it is clear that this is a tree problem and this is a traversal problem. Now let's see, it is a hard problem and there are a lot of submissions to it, and the problem is 8 points. So let's read the problem statement. So the problem says that you have been given pre-order, in-order and post-order traversal of some trees of size n. Your task is to check if they are all of the same tree or not, right? So what you have been given is, basically you have been given the pre-order, in-order and the post-order. There are three types of traversals in a tree. I'll move to one note. So basically, what are the three types of traversals? But have to look up. Fine, Akash. If you had to look up to the editorial, that is fine. But make sure to solve these problems daily, because if you will continuously solve these problems, then they will give you a good insight, right? So what you have to do is, you have been given the pre-order, post-order. Let me write. So for this problem, what happens is, you have been given the pre-order and in order, and what you have to do is, you have to tell if the three traversals are of a tree or not, right? So are they forming, are these three traversals of the same? Basically you have been given pre-order, in order and post order, and you have to tell, like what will be the your task is to tell if the trees are same or not, if the traversals, all the traversals are for the same tree or not. Let me begin. So I'll just copy this. Let me paste it here. Yeah. 1 second. Okay, so we are good to go. Now let's begin. So what you have been given is, you have been given the pre-order. Firstly, you have been given the pre-order, then post-order, and the in-order. Yeah. Thanks everyone. Thanks for a +1. Okay, so let's begin with the problem. So what you have to do is, you have been given these three traversals, and these are the so what is in-order traversal? Can someone tell me, like, what is the in-order traversal? What is the in-order traversal of a tree? In-order traversal